Does music actually make you fly better? There's something about flying FPV. How amazing it feels, how immersed you are in the experience.
Oh, never the song!
It almost feels like being a fighter pilot.
Feel the need for speed.
Ow! And every now and again, you get one of those flights where everything just clicks. You stop thinking, you hit every gap, every line connects, and you're just in the flow. The best way I could describe it is something like Ayrton Senna talked about after qualifying at Monaco. He described feeling like he was driving in a different dimension, purely on instinct rather than conscious thought.
And I realized I was well beyond my conscious understanding.
And this is what some people call flow state. But what if something as simple as the music you're listening to could actually help you get there? Could music make you more focused, help you make fewer mistakes, and actually make you fly better? So this got me thinking, because we add music to our FPV videos, although some people do prefer the raw sound. We listen to music for all sorts of reasons, to relax, dance, work out, focus, etc. Music can change our state of mind, make an activity more enjoyable, or even become more attached to particular moments or memories. For example, when you go to the gym, how many of you listen to music to put in that extra rep or lift that heavier weight? Or how about when you're studying, you listen to some lo-fi chill beats to help you focus? How many of you have done that? So what happens when we combine that with flying FPV? Could listening to music actually help you fly better? Well, that's what I'm going to find out in this video. First, we need to find some music. Now, as much as I would love to use a recent song or tracks from the top 100, I don't want to get demonetized, so I'm just going to use Artlist instead. Now, this video is not sponsored, it's just the platform or service that I've been using for a few years now. So I'm just going to find some tracks that I think that I would like to listen to when flying FPV to help me get into the flow. So if you're interested, I've left a link down below. Music could completely change that feeling of an FPV flight. Freestyle could suit one type of music, while something like an epic mountain dive might suit something completely different. Now, I found a few tracks that I think could work, so I jumped into the simulator to test my theory. Now, I did feel overwhelmed with what to do and where to fly, and after checking a few YouTube videos, there wasn't really a plan or a certain track people did. People just went with the flow. So I just relaxed and started to fly to see if I can have any sort of flow myself. I flew for a bit without music and then tried attempting a trick that I have struggled to get right. The trippy spin. After several attempts with no luck, I thought, let's add some music. Music is something that definitely has an influence on me, and started to feel more locked in, and my brain kind of disconnected, and I just started to flow. And yes, of course, there are still crashes, but I don't have to worry about breaking props or downtime repairing, which is the great thing about simulators. Now, after some flow, I tried attempting the trippy spin again. And after a few failed attempts, I was determined to get it. And eventually, I managed to get it done. This trick is hard, and I know in the real world, this might be even harder. So far, listening to music has helped me focus, but we need to try this for real. See if there's any noticeable difference in the real world. Now, before testing this, we need to figure out what fly better actually means, because right now it feels a little random to me. FPV flow isn't necessarily being faster. Even without music, enough practice should naturally make you better. I think I read somewhere you need 10,000 hours to be cited for elite, world class, or even professional mastery. Also, I don't have some kind of device that plugs into my brain that can actually measure a physical difference. So maybe a better way to judge this is to look at how many mistakes I make and how clean the overruns feel. Think of it a bit like Tony Hawk Underground game, where you used to get points for mastering tricks, etc. We could do something similar with FPV. We can have like a clean gap as a point. A clean trick is 2 points, and if there is a combo, we can do 3 points. And then at the end, we can just tally up the points, and the higher the score, the better. There's also the subjective side. Do I feel more flow while listening to music flying FPV? Now, as cool as maps are on Sims, we just don't have anything that amazing in Cyprus. At least a large abandoned site to explore with our drones. I wish I had something like Captain Villanova with loads of gaps and vertical walls and absolutely no one around, but that's even harder to find. Sure, we have plenty of empty potato fields, but that could be a little boring with no objects to fly around. So I narrowed down to 3 locations that would be feasible. 2 of them were abandoned villages. One was about 40 minutes away, however you get the occasional tourist, and this one would have been great as it had some nice arches and gaps. The second abandoned village was impractical to get to, having to ditch the car and walk because I didn't have a 4x4. And even though this place had 0 people, it had some gnarly spiders. So I just settled on a spot closer to home, a stadium car park, and luckily it wasn't a game day. I just wish it had a bit more, but you can't win everything. I mean, if this video gets 1 million views, I will build a dedicated FPV park here in Cyprus. Now let's find out if music actually helps me fly better. Now my friends joined in with me on this experience as they like the idea. Now in my head I thought I was going to get multiple runs, but I only had 6 batteries and had to make this count. Plus it was an hour to sunset, so I'm on the clock here. Now during the first practice run I felt the same as in the simulator, where setting off was a bit random. I wasn't sure what to do, but this got better, so now it's time for the first run.
Okay, so I had a practice. Let's try and do this without music, see if I can do some kind of flow.
Okay, I have purposely not played music through this, so you can share the same experience with me. Oh, we've got a trick already. And we've also not got any drone noises because I'm recording with the onboard camera. This is DJI O4 Wide, Flywoo's version, and I also turned stabilization off. So if you think this looks a little bit jerky, that's the reason why. I tried stabilizing gyroflow, but I think that actually made it worse. Also, I am not going to play the full length video here because I think it was around 3 to 4 minutes in total, and it might get a little bit dull and I might run out of things to say when trying to narrate. So I am going to cut it short. So I'm just going to play the first part of this here. We've got some nice tricks and combos, which is great. We missed one there. That wasn't cool. And oh, does that not count? Let me know what you think. Should I have counted that? Should we add that to the tally or not? And we finish up with a nice orbit here. And oh, I think I'm trying to attempt a trippy spin and it's not working. Now this wasn't too bad. I would have liked to use the bridge behind to power loop, but a crash would have meant a long walk of shame to pick it up. Maybe I'm expecting too much of myself.
Whoa, the angle's definitely higher because I couldn't see shit coming back.
By the way, if you're enjoying this video, let me know by giving it a like. That way I know to explore more FPV topics like this. And if you want to see more, subscribe for future videos and drone reviews. Now for this test, I'm actually using this custom FPV drone that I built, and interestingly, AI picked the parts for this drone. So if you want to check out that video, I've left a link in the description box down below. I'm even using the DJI O4 Wide from Flywoo.
All right. Is the camera recording? Yep.
Right, let's add some music and see if it actually helps.
Thrusters ready, sir. Thrusters engaged.
I definitely feel the last pack was my best flow. Personally, I would like to do better. And I kind of ruined the flow at the end, attempting to trippy spin, which I cannot do in the real world. Maybe I was asking too much for myself, or maybe I was being too hard on myself. After all, I just wanted to get better. I guess that will happen with practice. Now, I was lucky to finish this video experiment because my drone was not booting up when Vlad and I wanted to do a tandem flight on the last pack. And by the time we tried to fix this, the sun had already gone. So did music actually make me fly better? Well, based on the scores, here we are. I definitely felt more locked in with music, and that final pack felt like my best flow of the day. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below. Do you listen to music when you fly, and do you think it helps? Or does it just make you feel better? And if you enjoyed this video, check out this one here. Otherwise, YouTube recommends this one.
But that wasn't bad.
It's good.